How to convert Euro to USDT in Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to convert your Euro to USDT, here is how you can do it. But before moving forward, make sure you have updated your Binance application. To check it, either go to the Play Store or App Store depending upon your device type, and on the search bar type in Binance. If there is an update button available, tap on it, and once installed, tap on Open. After that, you'll have to log in using your credentials or log in using your Google account. Once you have logged in successfully, tap on the Binance profile on the top left corner. You will see this convert option. If not, tap on more services, and under trade you will see the convert section. Now that you have tapped on it, in the from section select Euro. Likewise, from the to section select on USDT. Once that is done, provide in the amount in the Euro that you want to convert to USDT. And this way you have successfully converted the Euro to USDT in Binance. If you want to trade, you can continue with the trade button once converted. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.